Here we go! Rock and Rod Retreat at the sawmill yet again. Get this tarp off of here and we're gonna do some sawing. So we're working with a WoodMizer LT15 sawmill. So let's make some sawdust. First, of course, we got to get the log on the bed. Now this time I'm going to use these log ramps. I've used them a few times. Don't have to get the tractor out and lift the stuff up on top of it, and you can use these ramps. Now the ramps aren't too bad. They do have some downfalls though. So some improvements that I would make would be not to use this nice slick powder coat that they got on here. They also need to make sure that those little flipper things actually flip up on a consistent basis. I got a few that are sticky, so they don't actually flip back up when the log goes across them. They stick down and it doesn't help the log stay where it is. Now this log's a little bit different than the rest of them because it's got branches off, arms off. Makes for some interesting wood, but it makes it difficult to do things with. One is to turn it up here. So the reason for the powder coating not being the slick powder coating is sometimes these things just turn in place. It's so slick to the log. This one is a bit different because it's got all those branches off of it, so it kind of digs in other places and gets going. See right there, I'm trying to fix one of those that stick down. But I've had it where I've turned that log several times in the same place because it just spins in place because that powder coating is so slick. I was thinking maybe they could add a little grit sand to it before they powder coat it, or in the powder coating itself. Needs something a little sticky or gritty to help it go up or down. Ooh. Yeah. So the other problem I have with these ramps, which you're not going to see here, is that when you get down to the last inch on the mill going across, the mill sticks on them. So you got to remember to take them off before you start milling. I would have thought they would have fixed that part, or it would have cleared it. You know, since it's a package you can get with it, it's not a do-it-yourself add-on. Okay, now I'm trying to figure out where to saw it, how to saw it up, because you got that branches coming off, big stump areas. I should have just cut the bloody thing off right before the first stump there, or the arm. The things you learn as you sawn. So the thing I'm going to do is remove the bark. I'm trying to set it up to saw off that top piece there. Try to get it kind of level on the mill. Get those log stops down so it doesn't hit the blade. Okay, so after a few passes, not too bad of wood. Turn her over and try some more. Oops. See that little knot there on the side? Yeah, that one. Not going around it. Okay, so this is what we do when we got a knot sitting there that we can't get around. Move the sawmill back out of the way. And get rid of it. Trying not to hit the bed. Metal on the blade is not a good thing. And by the way, we got another one sitting here on the other side. So before we go and hit it, I'm just going to remove it, the majority of it. That way the sawmill can get by it. And off we go again. Let's see if I got enough removed. Oh, made it by that one. Made it by that one. And here's what we got. Turn up on the other edge. Oh, nice flat top on that now. Still got a little sapwood on that. Flip it over on the other side. Oh no, not yet. Take one more slice off of this one. That's some pretty grain in there. And the other side. Yep, and that's firewood. Okay, so let's saw the rest of this up. How do you like that grain? Get the clamp off of it. And a little water. Now you can see that grain pop. And that's done with that log. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Tell me what you want to see. Talk to you later.